Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our first day of distance learning. I thought this week we would just finish up our first aid unit. We were kind of in the middle of it the week before spring break, and that was a very chaotic week because about half of us were out with the influenza A virus. So I have, if you check Schoology, I have attached the PowerPoint with all the videos. Check through your CPR and fitness notes that you should have in your binder. Some of you are, if you were there all week, you should be almost done. If not, just start from where you left off and watch the videos, take some notes on those, just right from the PowerPoint. Next Monday, I will post the CPR and fitness, or excuse me, first aid test, and you'll have Monday and Tuesday to work on that. I'll give you 2 attempts, and of course, we'll take your best score. If you have any questions, please email me, and good luck.